Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video on installing a set of rails onto an aluminum extrusion. So, the only thing you're going to need to use is a pair of calipers. So, I've already got everything installed and loose. It does wiggle around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a measurement. I'm going to push the rail as far as I can that way, and I'm going to get a measurement. I get 4.55 millimeters. Write that down. Now I'm going to pull it towards me, get another measurement. We're at 4.01. Now, what is the center of those two readings? So roughly it's about 4 1/4. That's in the center. Now I'm going to do that again on this end and then the following end. $471. $3.7. $4.51. $3.64. Now that center one didn't really seem to match up with the two ends, so I'm just going to do it one more time. Make sure I get that I did it right. 4.56. That's about the same. $3.66. Okay, so that is different. I must have did it wrong. I'll be right back. Gonna do find the centers of each one of these. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So in the center position, I was the center of the amount that it can move. The center would be 4.015. On the right, that was 4.2, and then 4.075. So basically, just it can be 4 or 4.1 of where you need to set this. So you can take your calipers. I'm going to set it to around the 4 mark. Okay, there, locked it in. So then now, as you set each one, you just push it up against it and tighten up each rail. And then you're going to be center line and about as straight as you can really get with minimal tools. So hopefully that's helpful to you, and have a good one.